Hi guys, today we're gonna continue making our paper squishy, and we're on the coloring part. So I hope you guys watched my other video of making a squishy that's long, really satisfying. And we're also gonna wrap our this squishy, and we're gonna wrap this in plastic wrap. That's why I'm doing it on. Why is that? Okay. That's why I'm doing it on plastic wrap. I think I won't really like this one. You guys might, but I won't. I don't think so. I'm just gonna fix the eyes. Looks creepy. Okay, much better. So, oh, I really want to check if this works out for you guys. If it doesn't, please don't try this at home. If it does, you can if you want to. Oh my gosh. Okay. To draw the bow, you draw a sideways triangle and then a little square in the middle, another sideways triangle to make a bow. Make hair sticking out of it. You're gonna grab a brown marker. I don't know why that has tape on it. I can't take it off. Nope. Then you're gonna draw a couple of hair strands, four strands, like that, and sorry if I'm talking quiet. Now comes the big finish. Means plastic wrap. You put it like this, put it like that, and then you it, wrap it even more. Take that, put it there. Wrap it, wrap it, wrap it, wrap it, wrap it, wrap it. And you tape it. Then you tape it, and then oh, it's done. I kind of like this one. Oh, cute. I rated 7.3 out of 10. So for cuteness, easy to make, and it's bow. And I didn't give it a 10 out of 10 because it's not really good like this. This is so fluffy. This is not really good, but if you have more paper, it'll be good. But I did last paper. I will still use this. Tell me what you rate this. I rate this a 10 out of 10 and 7.3 out of 10. And I will see you in my next video. I'm making my next video tomorrow or today. Bye.